Hello friends, happy Friday. Thank you for joining me. I think we're gonna title this video Weird, Wacky, and Random, because that's what it's about. So happy Friday. How is everyone doing? I hope you guys are all doing well and ready to kick off the weekend. So once we got home yesterday and got settled in, I was sitting on the sofa and I was like, oh my gosh, what am I gonna do a video on tomorrow? I didn't plan anything because I initially thought we were gonna still be in Pittsburgh. So I was going to continue the blue and white theme on into the dining room area, and that is sort of what I had planned to share, or another area that is gonna be super cute. I can't wait to do it next time I'm there. But we ended up coming home a day early. And so I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't have anything planned. But guess what I walked into? Check it out. That. Your girl likes to shop. We all know this. Let's get into it. By the way, it should be a mix of decor and some fashion tops. I already got into this one. And what was in this package is this beautiful necklace. It comes with the necklace and the earrings. And I like this so much, I got a pink one that's gorge with little pink earrings. It pairs perfectly with my little tanks and cardigans that I like to wear so much. And these come in all different colors to suit your wardrobe. So I'm definitely going to be buying more. Super fun and pretty for summer. Starfish. Okay, so if you remember my old house with the dual staircase, do you guys remember in the kitchen, there was a cutout in the kitchen where you could look through to the sunroom. And what I did was I took a tension rod, you can get those at Walmart, and then I took a net, a fish net, and hung it with curtain clips. And then I hung starfish in amongst the net. That was one of my favorite all-time looks for summer. So I was thinking I may attempt this on my hanging ladder. I don't know. So I did get these and I thought I could try it with these or larger white starfish, which I did purchase as well. But when all else fails, these are great to be used as bowl filler. So if you have a huge apothecary jar, you could put some sand on the bottom, add some starfish, and you've got a really darling display for summer. I think I know what this is. Don't laugh. It's sand. Summer displays are so fun and you can do a lot with sand. You can take a really pretty glass bowl or a big seashell, pour some sand in, nestle a candle in amongst it, and then sprinkle some seashells in around it. A top. Love tank tops in the summer with lightweight cardigans. It's just my style. And I found this tank top. It's really pretty. It has this underneath and this overlay on the top. I love pleated tops right here. I just think it's very flattering when you get them on. And then matching perhaps a navy blue cardigan or perhaps a light blue with this top. But really cute. These tank tops are very forgiving. Looks like we have another top here. One of my favorite cardigans. So it's the flowy cardigan, and I'll put a picture of what it looks like right here. This is the cardigan that it's like ruffled in the back. It's so cute on. I'm gonna pair this with probably a bright blue tank top. And then I could probably get away with wearing this jewelry with it. I decided to go bold with my tops for summer, and I thought, we need color. If we're gonna do color in the house, let's throw some color on you, Liz. Here's a picture of what the shirt looks like right here. You ready? Look how cute this shirt is. It's a long sleeve, but I plan to wear it with the sleeves up. You can pair this with any color tank top, and I plan to wear mine open, sort of like a cardigan. But this is great for in the office. If you're on vacation, you could wear some cute white shorts, tuck it, wear a white tank top underneath. Lots of possibilities, but super, super cute. And again, I can do a try on if you guys want to see. What do we have here? Faux Florals. Yep, I got 2 boxes of these. And these are the Spider Mums. I love these so much. I have them in bright green. I have them in white. I think I have them in cream. I have them in this color. They're just gorgeous. When you pop these in with your other floral arrangements, the texture and the colors look gorgeous. So I got 2 boxes, and let me show you how many you get if you get 2 boxes. You get all of these, but they're beautiful. And I'll show you in a second what I will be pairing this with. This is not a color I typically go with, but I think when I open up the wall art, you'll see my vision come to life. I got 3 bags of these. Let's take them out. We need to see the quality. Okay, so when you get these, they come sort of flattened, right? I believe I saw another Amazon influencer show these on her channel. And I remember her saying you want to take these and kind of pull them apart. She swears they're absolutely gorgeous. I remember her saying pull them apart and kind of let them sit, you know, in open air. And she said they'll start to kind of like fluff out, is what she said. These are really pretty. They're really long. This is very plasticky, but I don't care. They're going to be in a vase. But anyway, like I said, she said fluff them out, let them sit in a bowl. And I can't remember, did she say take a hairdryer? I think she may have said take a little hairdryer to them. It makes them a little bit more pliable quicker, and you can play with them better that way. But these are really pretty, really pretty. I will be mixing this with other greens and then some of these colors. Like I said, I don't typically decorate with these colors, so I am excited for the challenge to make them gorgeous. All right, here in this box, I got a bag of seashells, and you can't really see what they look like, but they're pretty. And this is what I'm gonna do in some of my bowls and glass containers. Then I have this box. I have no clue what's in here. More Faux Florals. And I got these in blue. I had a whole bunch of these florals in that box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got these before in yellow. So I remember once I got them fluffed out, they're really pretty. I'm really getting excited to try these colors. I got some white starfish. I got the bigger ones in Pittsburgh, and I don't know why I got the smaller ones for here, but anyway, they're really cute. I think these are gonna be really pretty for bowl filler. So 2 bags, and got this, and I'm like, what the heck? And I remembered what I ordered. So check this out. I wanted this to sort of mimic sand on my dining room table, and I'm gonna fluff this out. I mean, look at this material. Just imagine this on a table. And what I plan to do is get some big glass vases, and I'm gonna put sand and seashells and beautiful candles in each one. I might do 4 or 5 glass containers with sand and candles and seashells. And then I'm going to drape this down the table and see if it'll hang off. So we shall see how this turns out. But yeah, I'm totally happy with this. No clue what this is. We will find out. So I wanted some seagrass, and I keep going to the stores and I'm not finding anything. Here we have some seagrass, and it's got some twine around it. And I thought what I would do is take this grass and place it in a beautiful vase. So I can do something, you know, I'm symmetrical. So depending on where I put these, they'll be elevated in some sort of a pretty vase. And I hear you kind of have to like play with the grass, loosen it up a little bit. Not bad, not bad. Not the best, but not bad. So not bad if you're going for a beachy sort of coastal look. I think I can work with these and make them look better, especially if I get the right vases. So yeah, cute. So right here, I ended up getting 2 bar stools. I don't think I shared this with you guys, but I ended up staging a kitchen for a builder, and I ended up taking some of my lemon decor and pretty decor that I had in my kitchen, and I took 4 of my bar stools to make my design work. And so I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't go with just 2 bar stools all summer. So I ended up buying 2 more. So normally I have 6, but I thought I can work with 4. 4's good. So I bought 2 more. Put a picture of what they look like right here. So in sort of going with the coastal look, I got a set of 2 lamps on Amazon. I love the woven shade. And when you get these, you're gonna have to pull the cord through the bottom, and then you just twist this around. Then you have your woven shade. So really cute for summer. Okay, next I got a really cute tropical cardigan, and I thought I could pair it with a black tank top, a yellow tank top, a green tank top. It has little pockets in the front. Super cute, and I'll put a picture of what it looks like right here. Okay, that other top I just shared with you, this one, well, I got one in pink. I could definitely wear this tank top with it, or a brighter blue, a white, a pink, a black. Super, super cute. And again, I would roll the sleeves for summer and wear, you know, more like a cardigan, but super cute. It's great for the office, travel, anywhere. I got another black cardigan. It's the one that has pockets in the front. I'll put a picture of what it looks like right here. But I was like, even though it's black, I can pair it with like a hot pink tank top, a hot green tank top, any color tank top for summer, and it's gonna look cute. It's just, for me, it's a staple piece, a must-have. Now I'm gonna share some artwork. I'm scared because the last one I got was so bright. I'm like, I don't think my subbies are gonna like this. Moment of truth. Remember, I was going for a coastal look. Let me look at it first. Actually, I think this is absolutely gorgeous. Wanna see? So isn't this a beautiful picture? Just imagine walking down that path to get to the ocean, and you can see the sailboats in the distance and these beautiful flowers. And this is where I plan to play up those flowers I just shared with you. And I was thinking might be fun to play up how gorgeous this scene is with light. You know, I always say, let there be light. So we're gonna have some fun with this one. It's a keeper. Also, if I wanted to put it on this buffet, imagine this on the table, these 2 pretty lamps on either side. Imagine that net I told you about with hanging starfish and lights. I don't know, the wheels are turning. We have another artwork piece right here, so let me get this open. Again, I'm scared. Is it gonna be beautiful or too bright? Let me tell you before I show you, when I found this artist online, both on Wayfair and Amazon, I fell in love with her artwork. It's just beautiful. Again, you guys are gonna be shocked because this is not colors I typically work with in my home. Okay. So look at this one. You have a beautiful sailboat, and look at the colors. And the waves, I love it. Palm trees. And wait till you see the plates I got to go with this, if I can find them. Or did they go to Pittsburgh? I don't remember. Check this out. Do you see how beautiful these flowers look with this painting? I can hardly stand it. I just want to get these in a vase and play with them and make them look really pretty with this. I love it. And see, even with this one. Gorge. In fact, some red flowers might be pretty too. Okay, friends, well, that will wrap up my weird, wacky, and random video for today. Come back and see me next week. We're gonna start playing with some of these items. Anyway, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thanks for joining me. Love y'all so much, and I'll see you next week. Bye, guys.